In this video, I will show you how to download voice messages from Snapchat. First, launch open the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the message icon at the bottom of your screen. Then head over to any conversation. Now locate the voice message that you want to save. Then tap and hold on that. Now a menu will appear. Here, tap on the option of Save in Chat. The voice message will now remain saved in the conversation, so it won't disappear. If you want to keep another copy for yourself, then you want to press and hold on the voice message again. From this list, you want to tap on Forward Message. Now you want to select your own chat and send it over there. This way, you'll always have a personal copy available in your saved messages. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.